So OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. They are good. They are not great. They are not like the perfect all-rounder earphone that will satisfy all kind of your earphone needs. It's not, definitely not that earphone. So I'm using these earphones from last 2 months. So Bullets Wireless Z comes with this USB Type C port, and OnePlus gives you a little red cable to charge the. And apart from this, they also provide you 3 different earbuds for different ear sizes, and that's about it for the box. Let's talk about the positive things about the earphones, and then we'll move on to the negative things. There are only two positive things. One is the battery backup. It's really good. You charge them once and they charge out, and they also charge very quickly, so that's a very good thing about them. On a full charge, OnePlus claim that they will last you 20 hours, and yeah, they roughly do. 10 minutes of charge, you can get them to last for 10 hours, and that's really good. Charge them for 10 minutes, listen for 10 hours. For 10 hours, it's like you're all day. You're not listening to music 24 hours in your day, but 10 minutes charge will last you a day roughly if you are like listening continuously, watching a lot of videos, movies, songs. They should satisfy your need with just a 10 minutes of charge. So that is really good. That is really what separates them from the rest of the earphones. And another USP of these is they can connect with 2 devices at one time. So these can also connect with your laptop and your mobile at same time, and you switch between the active devices using this button. By double tapping this button, it will switch from one device to the device. Another thing to notice here is if you are like connected to your laptop and you receive a call on your phone, it won't automatically switch back to your phone, so you'll have to like double tap on this button to switch back to your phone to accept the call, even though your Bluetooth on the phone is on. It connects with 2 devices, and that is a good thing. They have a lot of problems, and they are not the perfect earphones. I have used Realme Buds Wireless before them, and I have made a review on them. You can watch it if you want. So here are the 3 problems that makes these earphones not the perfect earphones. They could have been, but they're not. They're not the perfect. The first one is the call quality. So this has not been like an isolated incident where the person on the other end was not able to hear me, but like most of the times whenever I'm talking to other people using these earphones, they usually complained about my audio not being clear, my voice not being that audible, and this happens like multiple times in the same call itself. So I have to be really loud, I have to bring the mic really close to my face. This annoys the hell out of me. So if you're buying an earphone and your priority is calling, you think like, okay, these offer 20 hours of backup, they'll be perfect for me because I have to take a lot of calls throughout the day. They're not perfect for you, man. The call quality on these sucks. It's not good, it's not great. And this is this funny incident when I was talking to one person complaining about some stuff, and they said the customer and their customer executive kept on complaining that my voice is not audible. And I was like, man, that is why I'm calling you. That is the complaint. That's my complaint. So yeah, audio is not good. It's not good. The second problem is this little blinking LED over here. So this LED keeps blinking every 2 seconds to remind you that your earphones are connected to your device. Yeah, that makes total sense, right? Yeah. So I talked to OnePlus. नहीं तुम कर लो पहले. So I talked to OnePlus and asked why this LED keeps blinking. This is what they said, and I'm quoting. They said that this LED blinks every 2 seconds to inform the user that your earphones are connected to your device. What?
"12 seconds later. The next day. Much later.
I just want to meet the genius in person who thought that this would be a great idea. Yeah, let's blink this LED every 2 seconds to tell the user that their earphones are connected to their device. I mean, of course they are connected to my device, man. I'm listening to audio through them. I'm listening to music. This might not seem a big problem, but like when you're using these earphones in the night in a dark room, this gets really annoying. So this LED will keep blinking in your eye, and this will annoy the living hell out of you. So So there are a lot of forums created on the internet regarding this problem, and apparently this is not the only earphone that has this problem. OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 also have the same problem, and what people have done is either they have used a permanent marker to mark over the LED to blind it, or they have put some kind of tape around it. So yeah, that could work, that will solve the problem, and it's not like OnePlus could release a software update that will fix this. It's not gonna happen. It is what it is, so have to deal with it and you'll have to live with it. Yeah. The third problem is so OnePlus claims that if you charge them for 10 minutes they will last you 10 hours, and if you will fully charge them, they don't mention the time it will take to fully charge them, but like if you fully charge them it takes around 20-30 minutes, I guess. So if you will fully charge them they will last for 20 hours, right? You can listen to music for 20 hours. But the thing is, even if your earphones are completely discharged and you charge them for like 4-5 minutes, the battery percentage that it shows in the device is still 100%. So the device doesn't show the correct battery percentage for them. It will almost say 100, they are at 100% charge, which is not true. So if they are fully discharged and you're charging them for 4-5 minutes, it can't be at 100% because it takes like 20-30 minutes to fully charge. So it's not a big problem, but I will still appreciate if my earphone can tell me like what is the exact battery percentage, so this doesn't confuses me. To conclude, if you are like someone who wants to have an earphone just to watch videos, YouTube videos, enjoy music, then these are really great. You don't have to look for alternatives. I think this is going to be a very good option for you, considering that they are selling for just 1,999 rupees. But if your priority is calling and you're someone who takes a lot of call during the day and you think like, okay, so these earphones offer 20 hours of battery backup, so these would be perfect for me for taking my calls, don't buy them if your main priority is calling. And I hope that this is not just the problem with my unit, and if some of you have OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z and you have experienced the same problem or your experience is different from mine, please make sure to leave a comment so we can see that is this widespread or this is just limited to my unit. And if you feel like you will be satisfied with these features, then go ahead and definitely buy them. They sell for around 2,000 rupees, and although OnePlus is also coming with the OnePlus Truly Wireless Buds earphone coming this 21st of July, so let's see at what price they would be launched at. Keep watching our channel, so make sure you subscribe to us, like this video. We'll see you next time.